Fundamental quantity mass. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body, which means number of atoms or molecules are present in the given substance. Matter means non-living things. They have a definite mass. It occupies some space. Matter can be classified into three types: solid, liquid and gases. They are made up of atoms and molecules. For example, if we take 100 ml or 100 gram of water, 100 ml, milliliter is nothing but gram. If we take 100 ml or 100 gram of water, the number of water molecules present in that water is called mass of the water. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. Mass is measured by kilogram. How the kilogram is defined, which means define 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is the mass of a particular international prototype cylinder made of platinum iridium alloy kept at the International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Sèvres, France. Here, using one cylinder shape of alloy like a platinum and iridium. This is a standard measurement for 1 kilogram. What I am going to say is not in your book. For the updation of your knowledge, I am telling this. 1 kilogram, the mass of the hunk of a platinum iridium alloy. Here hunk means the large piece of the metal. Hunk means large piece of the metal. Hunk of the platinum iridium alloy that is being housed at the International Bureau of Weights and Measures in Sèvres, France since 1889. It is called International Prototype Kilogram. 130 years old standard for the kilogram platinum iridium alloy was changed on May 20th, 2019 by the scientist because they found the platinum iridium alloy has lost or decreased 50 micrograms since it was created. Have this in your mind. I just told you for your knowledge. Then the SI unit of mass is called a kilogram. Kilogram and milligram are the sub multiples of 10. If the values are given in gram or milligram, we have to change into kilogram because we are using the standard international system international measurement. So that's why we have to change into the kilogram. 1 gram, which is equal to 0.001 kilogram. 1 milligram is equal to 0.000001 kilogram. Milli means 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 3, that is called a milli. 1 quintal is equal to 100 kilogram. 1 metric ton is equal to 10 quintal. Then mass of a proton, neutron and electron can be determined using atomic mass unit, AMU. Already we know that the structure of the atom. The atom is made up of 3 charged particles, proton, neutron and electron. So this mass, proton, electron, neutron's mass also calculated by the atomic mass unit. What is atomic mass unit? 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1 by 12th of the mass of carbon 12 atom. Here carbon 12 atom is taken. The special carbon has a special features are there. Carbon has a unique properties than any other solids. Atomic mass unit. Because of the masses of atoms and subatomic particles are so small, a convenient unit to use is the atomic mass unit. Here what is called as subatomic particles? Apart from the electron, proton, neutron, there are inside of the atom, there are number of small atomic particles are there, especially inside of the nucleus. So that is called subatomic particles. So if you want to calculate the mass of the subatomic particles, so there also we can use the atomic mass unit. One atomic mass unit is equal to 1.6605 into 10 power minus 24 gram. The masses of the proton and neutron are approximately 1 atomic unit. The mass of the electron is about 0.0005 atomic mass unit. So proton and neutron mass, both these charged particles mass equivalent to 1 atomic mass unit, that is that value already given 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 gram. The electron mass only little except. So 1 proton equal to 1 atomic mass unit, 1 neutron is equal to 1 atomic mass unit. This proton and neutron fused together and formed and which is called a nucleon. So it's occupied the center portion of the atom. This nucleon, proton plus neutron, which is occupied the center portion of the atom, which is called nucleons. So the mass of the proton and neutron also we can calculate through the 1 atomic mass unit. Thank you.